Here's an example of a cluster and how you should put that together. So remember, a cluster is going to be your other option. You can either do an outline or a cluster. I would try it at least once and see if you like it, and if you do, then keep using this instead of an outline. But basically what a cluster is a way for you to gather your thoughts and ideas when it comes to that main topic that you're choosing, and just giving some quick words that will get you from one step to the next and get you through that writing process. So we start with the middle here by creating a bubble, and then we branch it off into three other parts, which will be the three main parts that we'll be talking about for our paper. So in this example then, our main topic idea is put here, and then we break it into these three parts here. So the main topic, who is at fault for bullying? And then we break it down into looking at parents being possibly at fault, or the schools at fault, or society. And then from there, those three, we break down into however many more points we feel that we have to say in each of those sections. So maybe a few points that we want to make for parents on why they could be at fault. They could be at fault for spoiling their kids. Maybe they're not disciplining. Maybe they're not around, or maybe they're bullying their children as well. So these are just quick little words, as you see here, just a few words that will remind you where you're wanting to go with this. Then you move on to the next part of that. Your next point is going to be focusing on schools and why schools could possibly be at fault. Maybe because they don't have any set rules. Maybe they're not following rules. Or are they not disciplining? Or it could be not staffing, like training their staff, the teachers and anyone else that works there to deal with bullying. And then moving to the last point, maybe society is at fault. And so then here, we're looking at the reasons why society could be at fault. Maybe it's because it's all the technology. Technology, this could then break into social media, could break into phones, cell phones, could break into computers, anything else, breaking those further down, however many times you need to. Maybe it's lack of respect for people. So as a society, I think we've lost respect for people. Maybe being rude, so by people thinking it's okay to be rude to other people. And then maybe morals, having no morals is part of that and why people bully. So basically what you'll be doing is using the cluster as a place, instead of writing down in an outline all of your ideas, the ideas that you have for your main point, and then, or your main topic, and then the main points that you want to make, and you just break it down further. So remember, you do have a choice, either do a cluster or an outline, and then submit that for your topic idea.